Don't tell Universal, but I like this place better than Toothsome.
Hey guys, so I'm so excited today. We're at Disney Springs and the restaurant that we've been dying to go to is finally in soft opening. We're at the Edison and I'm so excited. It's kind of a steampunky 1900s feel restaurant. So cool from the outside, and we finally get to dine here. So the kids and I and Tim are gonna go check out that brand new restaurant, the Edison. Are you guys ready? I know you're dying to see it with us. Come on, let's go.
Disney Springs in 1901 as a power plant. So Enzio and Maria's 2 doors down. Enzio was looking for a little place where he could maybe relax a little bit. So during the time of Prohibition, he found this little place down here, outside of his speakeasy. This is a nice place for him to lounge around and kind of toss some ideas around with other inventors of the time. So this kind of was the nightlife area where they had the band, the lounge singer. So it all used to be a power plant. That's why you see the boilers and everything around.
Right.
Shovel the coal. You know, because it was ran on steam power back in that day. And what steam power means is that it was conducted through thermodynamic energy. So as the heat was released and the steam would rise, there would be something at the top, like a weight, and it would push the gas back down. Because as heat rises, so does the gas.
Okay.
As the weight would come back down, they would in turn turn some gears, and then it would rise up again, fall back down, and that compression of gases is what created the motion and the energy to turn the wheels and to form the power.
And then all the just eating areas just scattered throughout.
All these eating areas,
okay.
These are all converted spaces. So back over here, they all have specific areas based upon where they are. So up top is the electricity things. Down bottom here is all of the steam engine kinds of things. So that's why, so up top you have like the Tesla, you have the phonogram, you also have the electric corners. Okay. So it's all kind of based upon which region was being used for at the time the factory was open.
Oh my goodness, Hunter.
I don't understand what this is.
I know what he's thinking.
Why is this so thick?
It's very thick.
Why?
Candied bacon.
Candy bacon.
Yeah, that and then bacon is supposed to manage it.
Tastes interesting.
Oh my.
I promise I'll bring all this back.
Yeah, that's
Very, very smoky.
I can smell the smokiness. Can you smell it, Kelly?
Yeah.
Smells smoky.
Okay, I can definitely taste the smokiness.
That is really good. It's almost kind of like ham. It's like really, really thick. It's good. This is seriously, and sweet. It's a little smoky, like Tim said, but oh, it's just really good.
Yeah, it's like sweet, smoky, delicious ham. It's something that doesn't exist in the world because ham is nasty. Bacon, on the other hand, is delicious, so it can't taste like ham. But I guess if Allison says so, then I guess it's like ham in like a not ham kind of way.
That's pretty good. Well, it's not pretty good, it's delicious.
The soup by itself isn't that good, but with the grilled cheese, it's definitely really good. It said that the soup was organic as well, so that could be it.
Because I can see the spokes, it means that I am almost ready for the perfect temperature for the tea consumption. I can't wait. Earl Grey and lavender. That's what I'm going to have. You two picked a great day. Well, thank you very much. You picked a great day for soup and sandwiches. A little chill in the air, should warm me up. Looks good, right?
That is so
That's
cool.
awesome.
Thank you.
You like tea? You can make that at home.
It's right out of steam power.
Oh, cool.
So the less the wheel turns, the cooler it is.
Thank you.
Where's the pixie sticks? Oh, it's the powder on top.
And nerds on the top.
I call purple. It tastes so good.
Is it good? Is that a gummy?
Well, I'm coming, yeah.
I can definitely taste the cream. That is good.
I have to disagree with Hunter. That was not better than Toothsome. I know it's early, I know they just opened, but they have some work to do.
The menu and stuff was, I'm like, about it, but then like the place looked awesome.
So the reason I compare it to Toothsome is because Edison is trying to copy Toothsome like exactly. I mean, with the steampunk theme, with these giant milkshakes, it's Toothsome at Disney Springs is what it is. Let's be real. That's what it is.
The shakes are better here though. No, remember they're like milky and stuff.
Oh no. The milkshakes are better at Toothsome. Now I thought the food was amazing.
Toothsome had like milky. They had like milky ones.
Yes, that's true. The milkshakes are more milky. That is a good point.
It was disgusting.
I don't know. It's amazing to me how much they're trying to copy Toothsome though.
We're like a whole house divided on this one.
At least they were
And nobody can agree.
No one can agree.
So that means you have to go try out
Yeah.
Edison for yourself and decide whether you like it or not.
Keep on dreaming. Love you all. Bye.